All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with our end of day report for Monday, April the 17th, 2023. All right, let's jump right into it. So, the Bitcoin futures chart you can see here, we did come into today with um, this red bearish trend momentum reading, and we also have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading as well. The top of the Kumo cloud down here near the 20,000 handle is the actual uh, downside target. But the first stop will be 25,000. So if that 25,000 doesn't hold, then 20,000 is the next one, as you can see here on the chart. Next up, we have silver. Taking a look at silver, we had a crash alert coming into today. We got that downside production, and now we have another crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. $23 is the next initial downside target, followed by the $22 handle. And then after that, it's sub $20 back down to 19. So look out below in silver. Next up, we have natural gas, which is still hitting 52-week lows, and um, it's starting to come up here a little bit, as you can see here in the chart. We got a little bit of a rally alert, and we actually hit and got up to a close of 229. So we'll see if we can get up to that $3 handle. Next up is the Dow, and you can see here that the Dow has a crash alert coming into today. We didn't get any downside production. We had a narrow range inside day, which normally sets up for the down leg, and that should come tonight. And we have that crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. 33,000 is the downside initial target. Next up is the NASDAQ. We have a crash alert coming into this one. We haven't gotten any downside production. The market's just been hanging out. But once it gets going, 12,000 to 12,500 is the initial downside target. Next up is gold. Gold futures has a crash alert coming into today. We did get some downside production, and we have another downside crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Between 1900 and 1950 is the initial downside target. Looking at the S&P 500, the S&P 500 is still neutralized. So no trading in the S&P until it comes off neutralization. Crude oil. Crude oil had a crash alert back-to-back coming into today. We got nice downside production, and I don't think it's over yet. I think once the market drops below 80, 75 will be the next downside target, and then we'll see how much further it can go from there. Next up, we have the Russell. The Russell still has a bullish trend momentum reading, so it's still in the buy the dip, buy the pullback mode. All right, this is not flip red yet. So you're still in a bear market, though, but the market's just not doing anything. But it's trying to act like it wants to break out. So we'll see what happens. But this one still has a buy on it. All right, next is the US dollar index. So we came into today with a rally alert, and you actually got that rally today. Got some upside production. Bottom of the Kumo cloud at that 103 target is still our initial upside target on the US dollar. Next up is Ethereum futures, and we have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. But we also have a neutralization bar, which means that we do nothing until the market comes off neutralization. All right, so we got to wait until it comes off. We don't know if this is going to be a one-day alert or if it's going to look like the S&P and drag itself out over a couple of months. But as of now, we do nothing in the Ethereum. If you're long Ethereum, this is a good place to take profit and stand aside and wait for the next signal. All right, folks, that's what we got for tonight. So, like I said, mostly a quiet day in the markets today, and that usually sets itself up well for some fireworks in the next day's trading session. So I'm going to be looking for that, and we'll see what happens. But I think we're about to get some corrections in a lot of these markets. So just be ready for that. All right. Be ready for these corrections to come. All right. And with that being said, the system works if you work the system. So make money, not excuses. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Smash that like button. Peace.